Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up or change the PIN or password on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So just select the setting gear button. If you don't see it on your home screen, you might have to swipe up and select settings. Then you want to select network and internet. And now go down to mobile network security and select it. And then you want to select the set lock screen button. And then at this point, whatever password you're currently using on your lock screen, just would select it from the list. So let's say it's a password, for example. If you select password, you'd then be able to go ahead and insert and then change the password once you verified your password. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And you may want to also go underneath app security too, and then see if there are any additional passwords that might need to be changed down there. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.